Discuss PF56 part 3 redirect URI manipulation. So let's go to the slide. So redirect URI manipulation is a vulnerability that occurs when an attacker exploits weakness in how the authorization server handles redirect URIs during the OAuth or OpenID connect process. The attacker manipulates the redirect URI to point to a malicious URL under their control, which can lead to several security risks. And we already talked in our very first section of common OAuth client vulnerability. So what is the problem, like if we are just allowing the subdirectory validation from the authorization server, or if we are not going for the exact match of the redirect URI, we see that how there is a chance of leakage of the code, leakage of the token, and all those things. So I think you already know now. So it's just talk about that part only, and then we have the stealing authorization code or token. So the manipulated redirect URI tricks the authorization server into sending sensitive data such as authorization code or access token to the attacker site instead of the legitimate client application. Account or data compromise. Once the attacker contains the authorization code or token, they can use it to impersonate the legitimate user and gain unauthorized access to their account or resources, redirecting users to the malicious sites. And then the attacker can redirect users to the phishing pages or the harmful sites, potentially tricking them into providing login credentials or other personal information. So I think we already know that how the attacker can craft the URI, and then user can just by mistake using a phishing technique, attacker will just make that URL available somewhere, and user can click that and just it can be a part of attacker now, like how the attacker wants to make how basically wants to steal those code or the token by putting the techniques. So that is the redirect URI manipulation, we can say. And what is the prevention? I think we already know. So the strict validation, the authorization server must validate the redirect URI by ensuring it exactly matches one of the pre-registered URIs of the client application. So there should be the exact match of the redirect URI registered at authorization server end as well as the client side. So this should be the exact match. Parameter verification. Avoid allowing dynamic or user controlled redirect URIs unless absolutely necessary, and verify all parameters against the registered configuration. It's just for the exact match it's mentioning. Use of PKC, proof key for code exchange. Adding PKC helps secure the exchange of the authorization codes, reducing the risk of misuse if a code is intercepted. Right, so this is about redirect. I think we already know. I think this section we already discussed very deeply on the redirect URI part, right? How we can handle, how we can design, and what is the problem, like if we are not putting that. We see that how the attacker can just get the access of authorization code or the access token, and then it can be misused. So this is about redirect URI manipulation. If you have anything, please put in the comment section, and let's jump to the next section. Thank you.